Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to create an account on Edmodo for teachers. And if it's the first time you're joining us, welcome to Teach Us, a channel that looks at platforms, tools, and resources for educators. Enjoy! Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is type in Edmodo in your search engine. I am using Google. So you can type in Edmodo or edmodo.com. Either works fine. Then you're going to click Edmodo. It will take you to the home page. Alright, so this is what the page looks like. I'm going to go ahead now and scroll back to sign in at the top of the page or create a new account. I think that's what's there. Sign up for a new account. I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to click teacher account because I'm signing up as a teacher. It will take you to this page that will ask you for your sign-in information. You can sign in with Google as well. So if you have a Gmail account, you can use that, or you can just fill in the fields here. Alright, now we're at step 2. So I'm going to click next. Alright, as you can see, my name has already populated in the fields because I signed in with my Gmail account. So what I'm going to be doing next is to just add my birth year. So I'm just going to go ahead and select from the list that's there and add the year there. It's pretty simple to sign up for an Edmodo account. Once I'm done, I click that button that says done, and that is it. I hope this video was very informative, and you can tell me what you think by leaving a comment in the comment section.